baby. How you doing?
Hello guys, welcome to the Top 5 Lounge today. What's your name?
I'm the Fillinator. Reservation.
It doesn't look like we have anything under the Fillinator.
Do you not know who I am? You kidding me?
No, I don't think I've ever seen you in my life.
I'm the Fillinator. Just forget it. Do you have a table ready?
We have an outside seating in about 3 hours from now.
What table?
Okay, be seated over here, please.
Alrighty.
Excuse me, Fillinator.
Yes, sir.
Your table's not ready?
Oh, awesome.
Please, for the lovely lady. What would you guys like to order tonight?
Well, I was looking at your menu and I read top 5 special.
A top 5 special?
Yeah, the best of the best.
That's very good.
Yeah.
What would you like to order, sweetie?
I have the same.
Same? I gotta say, you look quite gorgeous actually tonight. Hey Alex, we need a top 5 special. We need an A6, C4, B3, BBA, and a B2.
This is my kitchen. I am the chef.
We have here.
It's a special.
Give me the mic, bro. I'm never hesitant. I'm heavenly reverent when we get to kicking lyrical rhetoric on the evidence of the incredible medicine sent from my heavenly Father. Head up on bread and water, just taste it.
Christ up, vision with the lyricism, giving them ism and oddity when we get them politic and we're gorillas like a bunch of jelly killers. But even if we die, we know that our lives when we waste those. It's glory alone when we come, praising the name of Jehovah.
At last, dinner is ready. Waiter,
Right here, Sooks.
take it to them. Go.
The lovely cuisine is here for the lovely young lady, but let's actually split both plates together to save money. Well, I hope you guys had a great time here at the Top 5 Lounge. But now it's party time, baby!